Good afternoon and welcome to my channel. This is just a quick video. It's a few more rosettes. These are, as you can tell, heart rosettes. I got the template and watched the tutorial on May Made It. I will leave a link in the description box below. Here are a few I've already made. They are very fiddly. If you find round rosettes fiddly, then you'll find these fiddly. I found these quite fiddly. I found the smaller ones actually easier to make than the bigger ones, probably because you have to hold so many different ways. So they're the ones I've already made. So I'm just going to move them to the side. And what you get in the template are these 3 templates on one sheet, and you're to cut it by the size here. So this is 1 1/4, 1 1/2 and 1 3/4 inch by 12 inches. And once you've cut your strip out, you then fold it in half, and then you place in this, and you're drawing around it and cutting around it with this edge being on the fold. And then you score it a 1/4 inch folds. I haven't tried it with a 1/2 inch fold, so I don't know if that would work. I did try making some yesterday, but I used thicker paper and I really struggled. So I've made them with thinner paper, and they're the results of what I've done. So once you've got it all cut out, you're ending up with a shape like this. Just move those out of the way, so I'm not sure you can see those templates. Just move my bangle again. So you end up with a shape like that, already folded, already scored, and it tells you the very first fold you've got to do a mounting. So you're folding it away from you, and then you fold right up into the center point, which is that bit there, and then you start again on the other side, and then you glue the 2 edges together, which is what I've got here. So if I just take that out, take my clip out, she actually uses red liner tape on hers, but I found that yesterday to be quite awkward. So I've cut out some little hearts, and you have to place it with the shaped edge face down. I am hoping I've scored this right. I don't know if I have. And then you're just pressing it down until, right, yeah, I didn't think I had. You just make sure you burnish your folds really well, because otherwise it's just not going to fold right, as that happened there. As I say, if you find the normal round rosette difficult, you're going to struggle with this. As you see, my paper's ripping there because I hadn't actually done it quite sufficient enough folds there. So this is what I found difficult, is that you need about 20 hands to be able to hold it, and that's why I found the smaller ones easier, because I didn't need to hold it in so many places. So obviously I'm using the hot glue gun, so do be careful, because as you can see there, I'm actually putting that under my hand, and I'm very conscious that I might burn myself. So do be careful if you're using a hot glue gun. I did find the smaller ones a lot easier, and I'm sorry if my hands are hiding it, but there's just no other way of doing these bigger ones. So I'm going to let go now. There we go. So once that's cooled down, I'm going to turn it over like you normally would. Once you've got one side down, it is much easier. But with the bigger ones, trying to struggle to work out where to hold each bit, because you've got to try and hold the fat bit and then hold the top bit for it to actually work. So that's what I think, that's why I found the littler ones easier, because I wasn't having to put my hands in such a big span. Hopefully that's stuck. So, let's say that one is ripped a bit there. So that's what the large one looks like when it's done. I've got a bit of extra glue there, but it doesn't matter. And I've got glue strings. And I didn't like this bit here, that when it's done, you get this really pointy bit here. So what I've done on all of mine is I've actually cut that into a taper. And I just think they sit better. So I'm going to do that here as well, is just to cut that out. And I think that looks much better. So that one has ripped slightly there, but I think again it's because of the size and the amount of places that you've got to hold. But once you've done a few, they are easier. But personally, I preferred the two smaller sizes. I preferred the 1 1/4 and the 1 1/2. I'll leave my Mazit link in the description box in case you do want to go over and get the template and have a go yourself. Thinner paper is better. I think once you've got the hang of it, these sizes I found much easier than that size. But that's just me. You may find that you get on all right with the bigger ones and struggle with the smaller ones. So that's it for me for today. Thank you for watching. If you're not already a subscriber of mine, please do think about subscribing, and press the like button if you've liked the video. And that's it for me for now. Stay safe, everybody. Take care, and I'll hopefully see you in my next video. Bye for now.